gorgeous 3-bedroom waterfront home located in the village and the desirable Winneconne School District. Step inside to find a beautiful layout west/kitchen, wet bar area, dining room, living room west/cathedral ceilings, Four Seasons room, first floor laundry, half bath and a master suite featuring a makeup counter and office. Upstairs find 2 large bedrooms, a full-sized bath and storage galore. Located on the amazing Winnebago waterway system, you'll love the outdoor area for entertaining or hop on your boat to enjoy miles of waterway recreation. Call today for your private showing to experience so much more.